At ayun mga bossing, nakakita nga pala tayo nagtatrabaho doon na wala safety goggles. Kaya bibigyan natin sila ng goggles mga bossing. At bibigyan din natin sila ng gloves. Dahil bukas, magtatrabaho sila Sabado, February 7, Sabado. Sarado yung walang pagpupusan nila ng gloves. How are you? No problem. Continue. I will give you gloves. No problem, continue. You can continue job. No problem. Don't worry. Yun nga. Goggles na eh.
Hey.
Goggles. Use goggles please. For safety.
Wala ko dyan.
You can continue, no problem. Continue. Don't worry, don't afraid. I will not send to safety. No issue.
Okay. You come from safety?
No. I'm from electrical department. Don't worry.
Safety is life, no problem.
Yeah. How are you, man? Good? No good. Oh, problem. All people are good. So it must be good.
Slowly, slowly.
That's you can adjust here, no?
No. आपको आदमी एक बताया वो ही कर रहा है
No, you can adjust here RPM, no? Speed.
पूरा स्लो सही है
Yes. दूसरा side can adjust, no? Why you want pass RPM?
नहीं
This good. This safety. Yes.
no
Okay.
slowly
That's good. Yes. That's good. Okay, continue. No problem. Continue.
वो पाजी पहले छोटा ये छोटा
Okay. Yes. Very good. Yes. Good. But सीधा नहीं मुश्किल नहीं हाँ
इसी आदमी दो आदमी
हाँ ओके ठीक है Philippines. Yes.
I have friend Philippines.
Oh really? Where?
Philippines is very good.
Yes. All Filipinos very good. Where is your friend now? No, yes, your friend now. Where?
Saudi Arabia.
In Saudi Arabia. You work before Saudi Arabia?
Yes.
Where?
Jeddah.
Jeddah. In Bilad? Bilad?
My country.
No. Where in Jeddah?
I work Saudi Arabia, Jeddah city.
Jeddah?
Jeddah city.
Jeddah city.
5 years working the Armaco.
Where?
Company.
Armaco? Construction company? Yan. Very good.
Finish sir.
This what? How many mm? 30?
पहला इसको निकालो
36? Huh?
स्टैंड को पड़े निकालो हाँ
look. Kami. Look.
Mabigat lang konti yan. Careful ha, my friend ha. Careful. Careful ha, your hands ha. Finger, careful. Medyo mabigat lang yung mga bossing. Oh, too much work. Slowly, slowly, slowly. This hole, how many mm? How many mm? Hole?
कितना
It,
मैम?
36?
55
36? 35?
नहीं नहीं 55
55? Big ah. After this one?
एक और बस
Ek bas.
चल
This for
पानी
cement.
पी लो
Cement mill, no?
नहीं नहीं या कन्वेयर
Yes. Very good.
पानी उन्हें पी लो पानी है पानी पी लो
So you are foreman, ha?
वो दीवा पानी पी
This 2 8 hole, ha? Very good. Bali nga ako lang mga bossing, medyo natatakot sila sa camera ko dahil ano nila, isusunod ko sila sa Sweki. My friend, after clean this one ha? Clean ha? Very good. Yes, throw outside ha? Very good. No, after work, no problem. After work, after duty, before finish duty.
स्टोर अपना सा स्टोर
Okay. Okay.
सोमवार को जमा
Okay. Take care, Bob. Yes. Take care, Foreman now. Good, Foreman. Ayan. Ito, hindi ito nagagamit mga bossing. Gawa na may problema to. May issue to sa gear. Ayan. Ito sana magandang gamitin dyan kasi automatic to eh. Kaya lang may sira. Automatic kasi ito eh. This one very good. This drill very good, but out of order. Karab.
माल
Ano? Japan. Andito na yung pinaka-wiring niya, oh. Yung diagram. Ayan. Maganda to kasi automatic to mga bossing. Bali nga pala yung mga contractor natin ay humihinto dahil natatakot sila magtrabaho. Pero minano-mano lang nila mga bossing yung yung pagbutas.
अरे तंबाकू है
Yun, hanggang dito lang muna ang video natin. What is your name, my friend?
My name is Rashid.
Rashid? How are you, Rashid bhai? Kaise? Sige. Rodrick? Yes. Ikaw. Yan mga bossing, at tayo ay trabaho muna. At lahat ng tao ay halos pahinga na. Yun nga wala ang ating store. At hanggang dito lang po muna. At tayo ay namigay na tayo ng gloves. Bali may pusa nga pala ako nakita. Ano eh. Siguro hindi pa ako kumakain niya mga bossing. O hinahanap niya yung kamag-anak niya. Ito nasa man yung kamag-anak niya. Nandito na si Mingming. Mingming. Baka yan po ang kamag-anak ni Mingming. Mukha sila mga bossing. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan o. Hindi mo rin yung si Mingming mga bossing. Hanap niya yung kamag-anak niya. At ang ating video mga bossing. At mabuhay po tayo lahat. Ingat lang tayo palagi.